Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Great to see you again. Please do remember to hit that subscribe button if you've not already done so. It helps me to grow the channel so much. Do remember to hit that notifications bell as you do so. Thank you so much. Right, on to today's video. This is one I've been planning for a while and I hit some stumbling blocks in recording it. So I've recorded it over the course of 2 or 3 weeks, and you'll see why as we go through it. But it's all about Microsoft Sentinel and Microsoft Defender XDR and the unified experience now that you have available to surface Microsoft Sentinel right within the Microsoft Defender portal at security.microsoft.com. I think this is a wonderful idea from Microsoft. It's not without its difficulties to get set up and some bumps in the road, which you'll see that I had. But let's take a look without any further ado. Here we go. So we're in the Azure portal and I have navigated to Microsoft Sentinel, and I have three very differently named Sentinel instances on my tenant. I have Chrysalis Technologies, I have the inventively named Test 2 and Workspace Sentinel 1. Now, none of these have very much in them at all, to be honest, and if we look at incidents and workbooks and hunting and the like, it's not very well populated, although I do have one workbook in this particular one here. But the point of this video is to demonstrate a recent feature within the Microsoft Defender portal at security.microsoft.com, and you will see it on the first tile on the home page when you first log in. You can now get your SIEM and XDR all in one place. You can connect Microsoft Sentinel and Microsoft Defender XDR to unify your security operations in a single portal with more AI, automation, search, and threat intelligence. So if, for example, you've got Copilot for security, it's going to be all in that one place for you in that one experience. So all you need to do is you need to connect your Sentinel workspace right here in the Defender portal. So let's do exactly that. We'll connect a workspace and we have to choose the workspace that we want. So I'll go ahead and I'll click to turn on that workspace Sentinel 1 instance, and immediately I have an issue. It's saying I couldn't connect to the workspace. We need to turn on the Defender XDR connector for incidents within Microsoft Sentinel first. Okay, learn how? Well, it would be very nice if it told me how to do that, but that is not a clickable link, so I'm going to have to go off and find out how to do that. So I'll be right back. So after a little bit of digging, I need to add a Microsoft Defender XDR connector into Microsoft Sentinel, and I do that via the Content Hub, which is under Content Management. I've already clicked onto Content Hub and I've searched for Microsoft Defender XDR. We can see it's one of the featured connectors here, so let's go through and try and install it. It does advise us to refer to the release notes, and it gives us some text here to read through and understand, but you just know I'm going to ignore that and go and install it. Okay, let's see how far we get. We might hit some bumps in the road, and indeed we have. What is the error that I am receiving? Okay, let's have a look. I see what it is. The subscription has been disabled, so I'll need to sort that out before I can proceed. Okay, so it's actually a couple of weeks later. My subscription is re-enabled now. I was very careless with letting it run out for the previous month, so always watch out for that. I'm going to tidy mine up now that I have it back again, so I don't run out as quickly. So let's give that another try and hit the install button, and install is now in progress. Let's see how long this takes. And if you click on the top here, you can get an actual progress message which shows you how far through it is. All right, and we have an install success. As you can see, one item successfully installed. Wonderful. So with that being done, we can now go back to the Microsoft Defender portal at security.microsoft.com, and here we will see again the connect your workspace for SIEM and XDR in one place, as we tried to do earlier. Let's click on connect a workspace. Let's try again the workspace Sentinel 1 and see if we have any issues. We're not getting any errors now. One additional step I did have to do in order to get this far, which I didn't record, was I had to assign myself the role of user access administrator, and I also had to be a Microsoft Sentinel contributor. It took me a while to figure that one out, I can tell you as well. Okay, so click next, and here we go. Workspace Sentinel 1. What to expect when the workspace is connected. Log tables, queries, and functions in the Microsoft Sentinel workspace will also be available in advanced hunting within Microsoft Defender XDR. The Sentinel contributor role will be assigned to the Microsoft Threat Protection and Windows Defender ATP apps in the subscription. Active Microsoft Security Incident Creation rules will be deactivated to avoid duplicate incidents. This change will only apply to incident creation rules for Microsoft Alerts and not to other analytics rules. All alerts related to Microsoft Defender XDR products will be streamed directly from the main Microsoft Defender XDR data connector to ensure consistency. So make sure you have incidents and alerts from this connector turned on in the workspace. Let's go ahead and click on connect, and fingers crossed. While you wait, you can even learn more about Microsoft Sentinel in Microsoft 365 Defender. It said it would take several minutes, or might take several minutes, but wow, look at that, it's done it. Workspace has successfully been connected. Let's click on close, and there we go. Okay, so your unified SIEM and XDR is ready. Experience the next level of SOC efficiency. Hunt, triage, investigate, and respond better with Microsoft Sentinel in Defender Portal starting now. Let's start hunting. There we go. So we can start our advanced hunting right here, right now, and we are good to go. So I had another brief pause in the video there. I went and grabbed some lunch and I came back and did a refresh, and things have changed in the Defender portal a little. As you can see, I now have my sidebar very differently organized. We have all these lines here, and it looks very neat and tidy. But in addition to the hunting that we got directed to in the last section, so if we start hunting, it takes us to this section here. We've now got this Microsoft Sentinel selection in our menu as well, so we can go into search with Microsoft Sentinel right from within the Defender portal here. So we can conduct searches, we can look at saved searches, there's restoration here, so we can also look at threat management and workbooks, hunting, notebooks, threat intelligence, MITRE ATT&CK, similar sort of things that, as you can see here, duplication across both of the portals. So this is a nice experience. So we've got content management. We can get to the content hub here, the repositories, the community, the configuration, and the data connectors. So it's all here right in that one place, so you don't have to go specifically into the Azure portal and find Sentinel anymore. So that's really nice. I really like this experience, and this is a very, very neat looking Defender portal now. So I'm happy that that's done, so I can just close that off now and tidy up my home screen. I don't need to know that I'm connected my SIEM to my Defender now, and why that won't go away, I don't know. There we go. Anyway, so that's about it. I think that's super useful. Defender and Sentinel are so linked anyway, so it just makes sense to have them all in one place, right? And I think it's going to make life a lot easier. So there you go. A few little snags along the way there as I had to pause and figure out what was going wrong and give myself the right roles and all that, but we got there in the end, and I really like the results, and I really like that new layout in the Defender portal on the side panel. It just makes it look that much more neater and orderly and organized, and I like that. But there you go. Let me know if you've tried the new experience yourself. I think it's really great. Let me know your thoughts, what you think could be improved or anything missing or anything like that. Always interested to hear your comments. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. That makes just as much of a difference as hitting that subscribe button. Please remember to do that too if you've not already done so. And you can become a member if you want to. Hit the join button, see what's available for you to become a member of the channel and support me that way. Thank you so much. It's really appreciated. Right, let's wind up this video. I will see you all very soon. Take care of yourselves, travel well, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.